Go. The hopper is on the hog nose.
Oh, he's gonna eat himself.
Wow.
He doesn't know what to do.
See, yeah, you see how aggressive he is though? He just automatically starts lunging and stuff. He doesn't even put an effort into it, like of stalking it.
Poor mouse. Oh, man.
This is the longest one's lived. Other than there was one that he couldn't catch. That's it. Goodbye.
Nope.
What the fuck?
He's playing with him. Now he's dead.
Yeah, see.
You're eating him the wrong way, dude.